Divorce delayed. That's what a North County man says is happening to him, but not because of anything he and his soon-to-be ex-wife did wrong.
Team 10 investigator Melissa Mecija joins us. And Melissa, this is apparently all due to a court backlog.
Yeah, a big court backlog. For the man I talked to, this is making a hard process even harder. If you have a family case, a divorce case, you could be waiting several months longer than what you thought to get it finalized, all because of a huge blow to the court's budget.
Go look at San Diego.
Sherman McCahan and his wife decided it was time to go their separate ways. They filed for divorce in October, said it should have been finalized in April. But when he tried to find out why divorce documents weren't mailed back to him yet.
So I called the clerk's office, and that was the first time I realized that they were telling me, oh, we're 8 to 10 months behind.
It's affecting him personally.
You say, I'm separated. They're like, oh. That's kind of, you're still married.
And financially.
I can't change health insurance until I have the signed divorce decree. She doesn't want to use my health insurance because we're separated, getting a divorce, so I'm paying for coverage that no one's using.
And we're hearing a lot of complaints from people. I mean, they want to get divorced.
Executive Officer Michael Roddy said this fiscal year they've had to make $6 million in budget cuts on top of a $4 million deficit.
So that's a $10 million hit to the court. We lost about 100 employees, and we had a hiring freeze.
He said backlog in family court is more like 4 months, but small claims.
It takes a year just to set your case for trial.
Whose fault is all of this?
Well, the recession hit California very hard, and it hit the courts very hard. And we have not bounced back to that level.
Sherman wants to move on, but thanks to the courts, he said he can't.
It's very frustrating that every day I'm still being tied to a marriage that we both have left from.
It's a stressful situation for him. With the new proposed state budget, the local court system is hoping to get $4 million extra for next year. They're going to find out in July. They want to reduce backlog ASAP because they're expecting a flood of new orders in family court as people file for divorce before the end of the year. And this is because of something else I didn't even think of. The new tax bill could affect divorce agreements signed after 2018. And this is all because of alimony. So there's just layer upon layer upon layer.
We're at least a decade removed from the back end of the recession. So are they ever going to fill those jobs, or is it always going to be like
I mean, they're hoping to get more money in this next fiscal year, which is in July. So they're going to find out if they're going to get hopefully $4 million. Hopefully.
A lot of people hoping.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Mel.